What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's your girl Shelly, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do a pedicure at home step by step. Let's get started. So the tools you guys will need for your at-home pedicure, these are just some of the tools that I use for when I do my pedicures at home. All the tools that I'll be mentioning in this video will be linked down in the description bar, as well as my Amazon store. So these first few things are just some regular nail filers, and two of these I actually got from Cosmoprof this day. These two that I'm holding and showing you right now are from Cosmoprof, but you can also get any type of nail filers from the dollar store, Sally's, you name it, and these are clean. They're just a little beat up. Some buffers, one rough and one gentle. Also, you will need a cuticle pusher, something to clean up underneath your nails. And also, this is just a old beat up paintbrush that I used to use for body painting. I actually cut it really short. I use that to clean up around my nails with acetone once I'm done painting. Also, you will need your cuticle nippers, maybe some nail clippers, and this really big one, it looked like a cuticle nipper, that's actually for ingrown toenails. So this has really helped me a lot with getting them and making sure they're completely out of my toes so I don't have any pain. This salt soap is so amazing, okay? You can use your Epsom salt, but I actually use this to soak my feet in, and oh my god. First of all, I get this from Target. They have a whole bunch of other scents, but of course y'all already know I gotta grab for the pink one, but this scent smells so good. Oh my god, I love this one and the pineapple one. And of course I complement that with this Tea Hut sugar scrub. I love this scent also. It is so bomb. Like literally my feet are so damn soft with this scrub. You can get it from Walmart. My pumice stone and my foot scraper that I got from off of Amazon. I have this callus remover gel also I got from Amazon. I have this old cuticle oil. I have the Sally Hansen instant cuticle remover. I have my nail polish of choice. Today we are doing white toes, you already know. And these are the names of it if anybody was curious. These are my top coat and my base coat that I will be using today. Some toe separators, and last but not least, your disposable flip flops. Okay, so before we actually soak our feet, I like to remove my old nail polish, and we're about 4 weeks out. Right now I'm just using 100% pure acetone. I don't like nail polish remover because it takes forever to take the nail polish off, like literally. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna be taking off my nail polish. Once all the old nail polish is off, I just put my feet into the tub and let them soak. Usually at this time I just scroll on Instagram for a little bit, or just BS, or work on a computer for like at least 20 minutes or so. You can soak for as long as you want to, it doesn't really matter. And then halfway through the soaking, I like to put on the Sally Hansen cuticle remover and also put my feet back in the water. It helps soften my feet and also my cuticles and any dead skin that we will be removing very soon. Now that I'm finished soaking my feet, this is the time where I really like to start prepping and shaping my feet. So at this point, I'm going to start by pushing back my cuticle with the cuticle pusher. And then at this point, I like to use this tool and also that other skinny tool to get underneath my nail to make sure that there isn't any old skin or any dead cells underneath my nails or any dirt or anything like that, because as we all know, that's not cute. And we like to have clean feet over here. So we are going to get in there and make sure that there is nothing underneath my feet. Also, this tool is very good to get out any ingrown toenails. That's what I'm doing right now, making sure that there isn't any extra skin underneath my nails. So this is what I'm doing right now. Really take your time with this part because this tool is very pointy and sharp. I don't want you guys to hurt yourselves while you're doing this. So just take your time. Next, I will follow up with cutting my cuticles around my toes. Now, I know everybody's not really comfortable with using the cuticle cutter, but I personally love it. I like the way it makes my toes look. I don't like to see any type of cuticle. That's just my preference. You can use whatever you want. There's plenty of other tools as options out there, but at this point you want to clean off your cuticles because it just makes your pedicure look a little bit more professional. And this is also a good time for me to go in and get my ingrown toenails. I did that off camera. We'll finish off that foot and then repeat on the opposite foot. So at this point, I'm going to dry my feet back off and I'm going to go in and shape my toenails. Now, your girl is a perfectionist. If you already can't tell from my other videos on this channel, I love my nails to be square. So I literally go super ham and make sure they are perfectly square. I buff them after I get done filing them into the shape that I want them. There's always a method to my madness. I just find that square happens to look best on my toes and my fingers, like, you know? But to each his own. I don't play about my fingers and my toenails anymore, especially because I'm the one that's doing them now. I just like my nails to be at a certain length and I like my nails to be a certain shape. It's really that simple, like, you know. But then I'm just that crazy lady that will seriously sit here for a couple of minutes just to make sure they're perfectly square. Comment down below if you're the same way. So right now we are going to treat and soften our feet. I'm going to use that callus remover gel and I'm going to put that at the base of my heel, the side of my big toe, anywhere that you find that you have dead skin on your foot. That's usually where I would put it at. Don't put it on any active skin. I'll put my foot back into the tub to soak for a little sec and then I will go in with my foot scraper. And you want to take your time with this also, and don't be too aggressive with this. You can cut yourself with this tool. Just take your time and just feel it every few seconds, like how you see me doing. I just scrape for a little second, feel it out real quick, and then if it feels good, we move on to the next section and then repeat. But yeah, my feet really aren't that bad, like my heels and stuff, so honestly I just do this to make my feet really soft. So, and of course we all have dead skin, so this is a really good treat for your foot to make it really baby soft. And then I will follow up with that pumice stone that I have on hand, and I also use this in the middle of the week, you know, just to keep my feet in check. And I think this is why my feet aren't really that crazy or anything like that, because you know, it's the summertime. Even though outside is closed, I like to always make sure my feet are sandal and heel ready. You know, that's just me. Now we are going to go in with our scrub on our feet, and this is just to give our feet an extra exfoliation after we soften and treat our feet. I really love how the scrub really feels, and it makes my skin feel extra soft after I use it. And just in case we have any other dead skin cells that are maybe on our feet, or so just take it off right before we get into the polish. All right, time to polish these toenails, cause girl, we is rough. We is rough. We gonna get you together real quick, real soon, okay? So I couldn't find any toe separators when I went to Cosmoprof, but they had these little twisty things, and they're okay, but I like the traditional toe separators, but I was desperate just in case, like, you know, we get shut down again. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going in with the buffer and I'm going to buff the top of my nails. And again, as I told you guys before, I am a perfectionist. I have to make sure my toenails are literally as straight as possible because it will make me cringe. Okay, so we are going to be going in with our base coat. Nothing too crazy going on here. course, our polish of choice is white. You know what they say about them white toes. But yeah, so I'm pretty boring when it comes to my toenails or like my nail colors, period. Usually I am either a white or a very pale pink type of girl. I get a little spicy on vacation, but I'm not going on vacation this summer, of course, for obvious reasons. But yeah, so right now I am just slowly painting my toenails. If I make a mistake, I just go in with the little brush I showed you guys in the beginning with some acetone, and I just clean up the edges. That's what we're doing here, and then repeat. So now after we got done painting and our toes are dry, I am going to put on some lotion. This lotion is actually from my actual nail salon I used to go to, and I love the smell of it. Like, it just makes me feel like I'm straight out from the nail salon. Now that I'm doing my own toes, I'm actually glad I still have this really big bottle, and we have like 3 other bottles in our bathroom. So right now I am going to moisturize my toes and my cuticles. And there you have it, you guys. Beautiful pedicured toes ready for the summer. I just threw on my anklet that I got from off of Amazon. I also got my slippers from off of Amazon. And you know, it just made me feel like a bad bitch. You know what I'm saying? With my white toes. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I hope this really helped somebody out there too, because honestly, once I learned how to really do all this, and it really wasn't that hard, I'm not going back to the nail salon. Okay, sis, because literally my feet and my nails never looked this good until I started doing them myself, just to be really honest. And plus, you save your money, so there's that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.